Hey guys, what's up? Welcome. In the tutorial of today, we are going to see how to make writing word in After Effects. Let's start. First, you are going to import your video or your picture. For me, I'm going to import my picture here. Put in the sequence. As you can see, mine is look good. Now we are going to make our words like it is lighting. First you are going to mask where you want light to take place. Like that. Come to mask, select none so that you can see others. Go to Saba, make sure you have installed Saba effect in your Adobe After Effects. Drag on your picture or your video. Go to Saba, select layer mask. Go to render setting. Go to back and select add. You can see how it is look like. And you want our word look like this. This is look blue and you want to turn into green so that it can be the same color. I can come and put on green, you see. Now is the same color. Now we are going to make our light be lighting more like this. As you can see now is lighting glitter than before. Thank you for watching this video. We shall meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.